Hello and welcome to the complete JavaScript course by Epsonium. So in this course we will learn JavaScript from very basic to developing our own JavaScript program. So instead of preparing a long course video which will be tiring in some case, the course will somewhat be a crash course comprising of many videos. Without further ado, starting with the introduction. So if you are watching this video, you probably have heard what JavaScript is and what it is capable of. JavaScript is not only the most popular programming language in the world but also powers mostly modern internet. JavaScript is lightweight, cross-platform, object-oriented computer programming language. Lightweight means the language does not eat much RAM of the computer and has relatively simpler and smaller syntax and features. Cross-platform can be used in multiple platforms. Object-oriented means it is based on object, which we will explore later. JavaScript is one of the three core technologies of web development with HTML and CSS. JavaScript is what made modern web development possible. JavaScript is dynamic and interactive. JavaScript can be used in different sites, that is client side, which is traditionally only used in the browser, and server side. Thanks to Node.js, it can be used in server as well. With multiple frameworks like React and Angular and many libraries to offer, JavaScript is in fact a powerful programming language. With HTML and CSS, JavaScript is core technology of web for creating beautiful and interactive web development. HTML is responsible for the content of the web page like text box, button, images, etc. CSS is responsible for presentation of the content. JavaScript is the real programming language. So from the next video we will be diving more deep in the JavaScript world. So thank you for watching. So see you in the next video and subscribe for more videos.